Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once on TikTok, tap on your profile on the bottom right, then tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Once on Settings and Privacy, scroll down, then click on Report a Problem, the one with the flag icon. In here, scroll down and go to Account and Profile. Then in here, go to Editing Profile. Then click on Other. In here, tap on No. Then tap on Need More Help. In here, you will tell TikTok about your feedback. All you have to do is type in your case. Or you could also wait for me to finish typing and then you could copy what I'm saying over here. Then click on the Pictures and Videos icon if you want to attach some videos or photos as supporting documents. Once done, click on the Submit button. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.